Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem on Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your problem on Google Meet, you should just go to Settings. After that, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Google Meet and you will enter. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on Force Stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for